What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing a quick unboxing of the Aero Precision gas tube, and this is the rifle length. So if you're looking to do your own AR-15 or AR-10 build and you need a gas tube and looking to get the right length here, just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this, show you what actually comes with it, so that way you know you have all the right parts. So to start off here, you can see this one is marked. This is the melanite version. There is also a stainless steel version, but I went and chose the melanite version. And then also this one is the rifle length. I'm going to be putting this on a 18-inch barrel on a AR-10 M5 Aero build. So I did need the rifle length for this one, but they also have the mid-length and carbine length, so make sure you get the right length according to your barrel size. With that, let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed, see what does come with it here. Open this end up, pull this out here, see if there's anything else. Ah, no sticker. Well, I figured they couldn't fit a sticker in this box. And so there you have it. Here is actually our gas tube, and you can see it is the full rifle length version. And the other nice thing to note here is it does have the little, I guess it's called the roll pin here, that goes into your gas block to secure this. Sometimes they don't include it depending on the brand you buy of the gas tube, and they say, oh, it's supposed to come with your actual gas block. And then you call the gas block people and they say, oh, it's supposed to come with your tube. So it is nice they do provide it here, so that way we can attach this to our gas block. Getting it out of the package here, you can see again, this is the black or melanite color as opposed to the stainless steel. So I wanted the darker color here, but if you did want the silver or stainless steel version, you can choose that option. And then you can see we have our ported end here that we're going to be attaching to our gas block. And then as well, here is the end that will go actually into the upper receiver then. So there you have it, just a quick video here showing you what actually comes with it. So you do get your gas tube as well as the little roll pin to insert and attach this to your gas block, and you should be all set then. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be having a full build on this, or I already have it posted on the channel now. And if you have any questions on the Aero Precision parts or your build you're working on, let me know down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.